Okay, this is the HiOazo controller. I'm just showing the basic programming for it. I've got a program on here that I'm going to delete so I can start a new one. Okay, you click Add Event. There's Cycle and Soak and No Cycle and Soak. We'll go with Cycle and Soak. And when you're done, you click Next Step at the bottom. Okay, they're all set for 20 minutes. I think 22 minutes is probably good for spray heads. We'll do part circles at 25, and then full circle rotors at 50, and then I'll actually change it this way because this one is a little more difficult. An hour and 5 minutes, and we'll call that our rotary heads. Okay, and then our cycle will allow it to go for 15 minutes, soak for 30. It doesn't work too well for rotary heads when it's exactly the same, because that's not necessary, but for spray heads, that's maybe even running a little long. So that setup should be individual to the zone, but so that's something I don't care too much about, the cycle and soak setup on this. Okay, every day, this is when it will water. Odd days, even days, specific days. I'm going to set it for specific days at 3 days a week. There's also an interval that you can be set, but I'm going to go back to specific days. And then the hourly interval. This hourly interval is if you were doing a grow in for like sod or seed. Go back to specific days and we'll make that standard for this program. And then this is the start time, so it has a dynamic start time. Start after sunset, start at a specific time, start after sun or before sunrise, which is what I will do. We're gonna do 60 minutes. End before sunrise, 60 minutes before sunrise. So it'll dynamically change depending on what the season or the sunset is, what time sunrise is. Sorry. And before a specific time, I was just showing on it. That's basically something that you can set if you have a specific reason that it has to end, say before 6 a.m. or like this one says 3 p.m., whatever it may be. I'm not going to mess with that. I'm just going to go with the end before sunrise. And then I don't typically use this. This is start and end dates for the program. Because basically when I set a program, I want to be the one that turns it off, not allowing the computer to shut it down for the season. And then selecting whether or not you want to use all of the weather options. And then name program. Let's call it entire yard. And complete. That one's been saved successfully, and now it has a program that will be set to run. Basically, this is what all the stuff that I have selected. You can go into the program and change things individually by selecting them. Apparently, you go there. Okay, I was clicking on the wrong spot. So you have to, looking at this, the little arrows on the right side of the screen show you where you can click. You can't just click on the area. You have to click on the arrow itself to be able to move forward. Now we can go home and it will show what has watered, that it's currently on a rain hold, but it will also show when it's scheduled to water. Right here it's supposed to be scheduled to water at 1:26 a.m., but yet it's crossed out because it's on a rain skip, which is something that can be canceled. That's it. That's the HiOazo basic controller programming.